Hello everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So we got a real interesting project today. So today, that nice massive pine's coming down. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to take this entire pine down. Come here, I'll show you. That pine so we're gonna cut this down. So what we're building is a better parking area. So you can see I got some space here. You can see I got a decent amount of stuff already here, a place to park, but it doesn't work. Hard to pull trailers in and out, hard to get turned around, the old trusty log loader. So just want a better spot here to park some stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So in order to do that, we're going to get rid of that pine. So this is not going to be simple. You can see I dug down here a little bit with the backhoe to get down below the gravel level. We got a birch over there. It's got to come down, but that's minor compared to this pine. So what's going to happen is what we're going to do is we're going to take that pine down and use it for boards for another project we're doing. But in order to get that down, I'm going to enlist the help of my father. Actually, we're going to be using a big tractor, big backhoe loader, and we're going to push that over some. So let's see how it goes. Let's get this started, see what happens. Hopefully we don't break anything. Quite a hit, so that there's still plenty there, you know what I mean? Ready? right, we did it. Meh, that's a big pine. Look. That's a big pine. Whew. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. That was a little bit of an issue, me getting out of the hole, out of the way. I always have an exit strategy. That's something, I don't know how much you guys cut trees down, or if any of you watching what, if you're experienced, not experienced with this, but I can show you a little bit and talk a little bit about it if you're interested. But you notice I had to make a notch on that side over there. The notch is so that the tree will fall towards that way. And then I had to cut the back side here, and then I left a little bit. See, it pulled it out a little. It's because we were pushing it over, but you leave what's called a hinge in the center so that it can pivot on that as it's falling down. But part of cutting the trees down is you also want to have an exit strategy. And what I mean by that is as the tree's starting to fall, you want to get out of the way, because you don't want that tree to kick or move or hit you or whatever. And I mean, you know, I'm no expert, I'm no professional logger or anything like that, but I do cut a lot of firewood, I cut a lot of other trees and stuff. So, you know, I've been doing it for quite a few years. And you always have an exit strategy, always have a plan to get away from the tree. And I don't know if you guys caught it a minute ago there, but when I was trying to get out, I had a plan where I was going to place my foot and then get out of the hole and get out of the way. And when I went to place my foot, it was sandy gravel, and boom, my foot disappeared. So I had to scramble quite a bit just to get it. But you know what? Everything went off without a hitch. Everything went good. So now comes the really work part, and we got to get rid of all this. So if you want to stay tuned, we're going to use the trusty log loader and haul a bunch of this off, get rid of it, get rid of these limbs, use those, remember them sides that we built for the log loader that I grabbed and set on the side of the log truck? Well, we're going to use those sides again, and we'll haul all these branches, all this stuff out of the way, and then we're going to have some really nice pine saw logs here. So we'll see how it goes, and get as much done as we can get done. So All right, everybody, so we got it all. You can see here I've already started. Actually, I had my father haul in a couple loads of rock, tail ends and stuff, just to fill in the big hole there that was where the trees were. But we got it pretty much all done. There's a couple little branches there, and you can see there's a couple branches out there. I'll just scoop those up with the grapple and dump them down over the bank here, and we'll be done with it. But honestly, we made it. Got it all done. It was a big job. It really took us most of the day to do that. We got a really three nice big saw logs. If you want to look here, you see we got one 16-footer, the big one, the big butt end, and then two 12-footers. So we'll use those for boarding in boards, like real wide boards for boarding in another project. I'll show you the one that I've been working on and off for quite a long time now, and other various things. But that was a big job. So we got our last load here in the trusty old log truck. I'm going to haul that away, and we'll be all done, at least for this project. So stay tuned to next time, and thanks you guys for stopping in. See you again. Bye.